Look at this flock of stinging insect, wing insect. They are now sipping the molecular emitted molecules of a certain mountainous mint. This is a kind of mint, a plant that has sweet smell. The flower is still it is still developing flower. It is not fully developed, but it has a sweet smell, which is favorite of this wing insect too. They are sipping the molecular gas from this mountainous mint. We call this albahaka or the albahaka company. Albahaka or a mint, mountain mint that has sweet smell on their leaves and flowers. It is a flock of stinging